is Anaya, and today I'm going to do some coloring. Now I'm going to draw like a cake. So today I'm going to show you one of my favorite things to do. So one of my favorite things to do is color. So I'm going to show you one of my drawings I can make. Today I might draw sweets. So I'm going to draw a birthday cupcake. Alright, I'll start with the base. I'm going to use this color. So I'm just going to sketch it a little bit. Okay, so this will be the base. It looks so pretty so far. So I never made a birthday cupcake before, but I'm doing it. Now we'll put the top part. Yeah, I'm just going to fill some details to it. I'm going to use this dark brown. So I'm going to add some detail. Alright, now I'm going to use the same color as I used for the base. And I'm going to fill it in. So take your time when you're drawing or coloring. So it is done. Now I'm going to make this vanilla flavored. Okay, so let's make the cake part. And then on top of it, it will be the beautiful frosting. Then I'll add a cherry on top. Then I'll add a birthday candle. Okay, so it wasn't showing well, so I'm using a darker color. Okay, so I'm recoloring it. So adding a few details to it. If you made a mistake, it's no problem. You can just erase it away. So now I'm going to make the frosting. It'll be like pink, purple, and blue style. So I'm starting with this rose pink. I'll try to make it the best I could. I'm going to add a lot of sketching. Now I'm going to use a lighter pink. Okay, so this should be good. So I'm going to use this maroon color so it'll look better. Same thing as always, I'm going to add a little bit of sketching. Now move on to the purple. Now I'm going to use this like lighter purple. So now I'm going to do the cherry on top with this red color. And now I'm going to use a brown color for the stem. And now I'm going to put a birthday candle for my finalist touch. Okay, so I'm making this candle. It might be a little thick, but it's okay. So now this is going to be the final touch. So now my picture has been finished, so I'm going to show it to you guys. So this is my drawing. I hope you like it. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye for now.